Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone photos gray line problem after update. If you are using any iPhone, you're facing issue with your iPhone photos, that in your iPhone photos you might see gray line. It might be here or anywhere on your screen. So let's see some possible causes and the fixes for this. So if you're facing this gray line after updating your iOS or your software, so it might be a software glitch. It can be easily fixed by updating software again. Wait for the second software update, or wait for the after upcoming software update, or you can also try to make a forced restart to fix if it's just your iPhone glitch. Or if you're facing this gray line anywhere on your screen, it might be in your settings app also, it might be in any of your app, so it might be your screen or your display issue. So you can fix this by checking the hardware or going to hardware mechanics so they can fix their issue. Or you can also try to go to your settings app, then go to general, go to software update, and here if you find any kind of pending software update, just try to update your software. Or you can try to wait for the upcoming software update. Or you can also try to make a forced restart with your iPhone through fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so there's only way you just have to wait for the upcoming software update. Or you can also try to check your system hardware to check if there's an issue with your iPhone's display, so it will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.